I'm Lisa from BERYL Consulting Group. It's a pleasure to have with us today Dr. Shyam Patel, the Vice President of the Preclinical Department of the CIRM, that is the California Institute for Regenerative Medicine. So Dr. Patel, we have some questions for you today regarding cell and gene therapy. But first, let's lay the foundation. What is California Institute for Regenerative Medicine?
So CIRM is a very unique government agency. We were founded and funded by the people of California with $8.5 billion in total funding. And our goal is to advance cell and gene therapy development for all kinds of different diseases for patients in California and over the whole world. CIRM has funded to date over 120 different clinical trials for all kinds of different diseases. And we also have over 250 active programs that we're currently supporting, everything from really early stage discovery to the final trials you have to do before you can get FDA approval to make those therapies accessible to patients. And across all those, cell and gene therapy has really strong potential to make a huge difference in patients' lives. So I'll give you an example. There are these therapies called CAR-T therapies. And so what they are is that you take the patient's own cells and you engineer them outside the body and you put them back in the patient. And they're supercharged to find and kill tumors. And so it's a way to boost your immune system. And so these are therapies for patients who've gone through 3 or 4 different types of cancer treatments, and none of them have worked. And this is their last option. And in those populations, these therapies have been transformative. These patients are gone on to live healthy lives. The survival rates are much higher than what anybody anticipated. And so it kind of shows that you could take your own cells and make them effective for some diseases that you might have. And so what CIRM was built on was taking that to the next level. And the focus was, can you engineer cells in the lab? So you take stem cells, you turn them into different types of cells. They could be brain cells, they could be heart cells, they could be skin cells, and you could then put them in the patient, and those cells will hopefully find the right organ and fix that organ.